So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions. Hey guys, Tom from Weingartz. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on our Toro zero turn, model 4225. We're going to be doing air filter, fuel filter, spark plug, changing the oil, and changing the blades. Right now we're going to start with changing the air filter. We got our air filter supplied by one of our 6 Weingartz locations or at weingartz.com. To change the air filter on this model, you're going to pull up on the air filter cover, clean any type of debris you might have stacked up in here. Just take the air filter out, pull from the front of the air filter towards the back. So you're almost going to peel it right out of there. Pull it out, replace it with our new air filter. When putting this air filter back in, you want to push the intake in first and then push down towards the front. On the inside of the cover, you'll see a little lip or a little ridge that air filter has to sit in order to hold tight against the air filter intake. So we're going to put the air filter in first, push, and push down towards the front, and you'll notice it'll snap right into place. Close the cover, you're all set with that.
Weingartz,